Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Matram. Welcome back to the class of Ravisirjee, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9th to 12th. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 10th, Maths chapter 6, Triangle, we are going to do the solution of very short type questions. Students, before starting today video lesson, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay students, let us see the first question. If in triangle PQR, XY, side XY is parallel to side QR and length of side PX is equal to x minus 2 and length of side QX is equal to 3x, PY is equal to x plus 2 and YR is equal to 9x, then find the value of what? X. So find the value of x. So let us see the solution, students. Here making a triangle, triangle PQR. What is triangle PQR? Right, student? Here QR is parallel to XY. QR is parallel to XY. The length of PX is given, length of PY is given, length of XQ and length of YR. Right, students? As we know that fundamental theorem of proportionality, XY is parallel to QR in triangle PQR. Right? So here we can write PX upon XQ is equal to PY upon YR. Right, students? Now we have to substitute the values of this side, x minus 2 upon 3x and x plus 2 upon 9x. Now doing the cross multiplication over here, otherwise simplifying these things, 9x will be cancelled by 3x. So we are getting x minus 2 upon 1 and x plus 2 by 3. Now doing the cross multiplication over here, so 3 into 3, x minus 3 into 2, so 6 is equal to x plus 2. So 3x minus 6 minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 4. Right, students? Understood? Okay. Now moving to the next question. The question is question number 2. In the given figure, x y parallel to QR, PQ upon XQ is equal to 7 by 3 and PR is equal to 6.3. Find x yp. Right? So the figure is given PQR. Here QR is parallel to XY. Right? Since XY is parallel to QR, therefore PX upon PQ is equal to PY upon PR. Right? So 1 minus subtracting both these ratio from 1 over here. Right? And simplifying, we are getting PQ minus PX upon PQ is equal to PR minus PY upon PR. Okay, student? Now here PQ minus PX is equal to XQ and PR minus PY is what? YR. Now we have to substitute the value of now taking the reciprocal of this ratio. So both sides, so PQ upon XQ is equal to PR upon YR. Now PQ upon XQ is equal to 7 by 3 and here is 6.3 upon YR. So doing the cross multiplication over here, so 7 into YR is equal to 3 into 6.3. Right? So the value of YR is equal to 3 into 6.3 divided by 7. So what we are getting by simplifying these things, so 7 9 ja 63, so 0.9, so 3 into 0.9 will be what? 2.7. Right, student? Is it clear? Now moving to the next question. Question number 3. If D and E are points on the side AB and AC of triangle ABC such that AD is equal to 6 centimeter, BD is equal to 9 centimeter, AE is equal to 8 centimeter, EC is equal to 12 centimeter. Proof DE is parallel to BC, right? DE is parallel to BC. So first of all, drawing the triangle ABC, right? This is D and E over here. Now AD upon BD is equal to 6 by 9, so it gives what? 3 by 2 by 3, and AE upon EC is equal to 8 by 12, it also gives 2 by 3. So as per fundamental theorem of proportionality, AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. It means, students, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, students, hence completing the proof, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, moving to the next question. In the given figure, ST is parallel to QR, PQ is equal to 6 centimeter, PR is equal to 9 centimeter, and PS is equal to 2 centimeter. Find PT. So PQR, in triangle PQR, ST is parallel to QR. Since ST is equal to QR, so as per the fundamental theorem of proportionality, PS upon PQ is equal to PT upon PR. It implies 2 by 6 is equal to PT upon 9, right? Okay, now doing the cross multiplication over here, 6 into PT is equal to 2 into 9. So the value of PT is equal to 2 into 18 upon 6. So we are getting 3 centimeter. Right, student? Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 5. Triangle ABC is such that AB is equal to 3 centimeter, BC is equal to 2 centimeter, and CA is equal to 2.5 centimeter. If triangle DEF equivalent to triangle ABC and EF is equal to 4 centimeter, then perimeter of triangle DEF, we have to find out perimeter of triangle DEF. Okay, student, so first of all, drawing the triangle ABC, right, and another triangle DEF, sorry, ABC is DEF is equivalent to similar to ABC, right? So as per the similarity of triangle, we know that triangle DEF is similar to ABC. As per the condition of similarity, DE upon AB is equal to EF upon BC is equal to DF upon AC. Now substituting the values of length of the sides, so DF upon 3, 4 upon 2 and FD upon 2.5. Now DE upon 3 comparing with 4 by 2 and FD upon 2.5 comparing with 4 by 2. So here we are getting D upon 3 by 4 by 2 and FD upon 2.5 is equal to 4 upon 2. So by simplifying over here, so we are getting D is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, and FD is equal to 2.5 into 2. So FD is equal to 5. Okay, student. We want to find out the perimeter of triangle DEF. Perimeter of triangle DEF means, students, sum of length of all the sides of triangle. So DE plus EF plus FD, D is 6, 5 plus 4 is equal to 15 centimeters. So the perimeter of this triangle is 15 centimeter. Okay. Now students, moving to the next question. The question is, in figure, DF is parallel to BC if AB is equal to 5.6, AD is equal to 1.6 centimeter, then AE is to EC is what? Right? So in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, right? Since DE is parallel to BC, so as per the proportionality theorem, AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC, right? So it gives 1.6 divided by 5.6 AE upon AC. So we can write these things. 16 by 56 is equal to AE and AC. Okay. So we want to find out the ratio of AE upon EC. Here by simplifying we are getting 2 by 7 AE upon AC. So AC can be written as AE plus EC. But we want to find out EC. So EC is equal to what? AC minus AE. Okay. So subtracting over here in both sides to find out what? EC. So 2 by 5 AE upon this is AE, AC minus AE gives EC. Okay. So AE is to EC is equal to 2 is to 5. Okay, students, here we are completing today's video lesson. I hope you have understood how to solve short type questions of this chapter. For more video lesson of this chapter, keep watching your channel Ravisirjee. Thank you, students. Thank you once again for watching this video till the end.